Okay, all right. Uh, Let me revise again. For example, if you have the informal word, for example, come, and you want to change it into the formal, what you can do it into the two ways. The first way is the simple request, and you can add any one of these endings according to the vowel harmony, and we have these endings ungis, ingis, ungus, and ungus. It means please. The second thing you can add here, you can request plus with question, and we have the four endings, that is ch, chi, chu, and chu. It means could you, the question form. Here, first of all, you have to translate your informal verb, and that is come. The translation of the come will be kill. In the red one, kill mean come. Now you want to put the simple request polite ending, and we have these four. So for doing this, you have to do what? You have to denote the extreme right first vowel in that word. So the extreme right first vowel is the a, because l is voiced consonant, and a is the vowel which is the extreme right and first vowel. So you have to make the vowel harmony of a. It will be a or a and e, right? So you know that we don't have a in any one of these endings, we don't have a in any one of these endings, but we have e in this ending. So we will choose this ending here, and that is ingis. So now it will become kelingis, please come. Next, if you want to request with the question, you will add any one of these endings, but according to the vowel harmony. For doing this, you have to denote the extreme right first vowel, and this is e, right? This is the extreme right first vowel, and we will make the vowel harmony of e. The vowel harmony of e will be e and a or a. So we don't have a in any one of these endings, we don't have a in any one of these endings, but we have e in this ending, so we can choose this ending here. So now it will become kelingischi. It means could you please come. Just kel, come. Kelingis, please come. Kelingischi, could you please come. Here we have the next example, otur. Otur means sit, and you want to make it please sit down. Otur means sit down, and you want to make it please sit down. You will do what? So you will denote the extreme right first vowel, and that is o. It means from the right side you will choose the first vowel, and that is o. If you will make the vowel harmony of o, it will be o and a, right? We don't have a in any one of these endings, but we have o in this ending, so we will choose this ending here. So it will become ungus. Now it will become oturungus. Oturungus mean please sit down. Okay, if you will move further and you request with the question, you will do what? Plus you will add any one of these endings, but according to the vowel harmony. So what you can do, uh, choose the extreme right first vowel, and that is o. Make the vowel harmony o and a. We don't have a in any one of these endings, but we have o in this ending, so we can choose here chu. So it will become oturungus chu. Just otur means sit down. Oturungus, please sit down. Oturungus chu, could you please sit down. Here we have next example, and that is al. Al mean take or to take. So we want to make it please take. So what we have to do, uh, choose the extreme right first vowel, and extreme right first vowel is a, because here is voiced consonant, and we have to concern with the vowel. From the right side, choose the first vowel, and that is a. make the vowel harmony. The vowel harmony of a will be a and right? We don't have a in any one of these endings, but we have in this ending, so we will choose this ending here. It will become ingis, and now it will become alingis. Alingis mean please take. Now we will move one step more, and we will request with the question. We have four types of endings. We can choose any one of these, but according to the vowel harmony. So what we will do, choose the extreme right first vowel, and that is u, right? The vowel harmony of will be and a. We don't have a in any one of these endings, but we have in this ending, so we will choose this ending here. So now it will become alingist. Alingist mean could you please take. Just al mean take. Alingis, please take. Alingist, could you please take. So now you have to do more and more practice. This was all about how to request in the polite way. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.